Number 1. Pampers Baby Diapers Swaddlers Size 2. Pampers Swaddlers diapers offer superior skin protection against 4 main causes of diaper rash: elevated pH, mess on skin, friction, overhydration, blowout barrier that helps prevent leaks from escaping from the back of the diaper. The number 1 best-selling diaper, based on Nielsen dollar sales, L52W. Number 2. Pampers Baby Wipes. 1,344 wipes in 16 packs of Pampers Sensitive Baby Wipes, water-based, hypoallergenic and unscented, clinically proven. Pampers Sensitive Baby Wipes are clinically proven for babies' sensitive skin, skin-loving. Pampers Sensitive Baby Wipes help restore skin's natural pH levels, helping to improve skin with every wipe. Skin Health Alliance dermatologist approved. Number 3. Pampers Baby Wipes Multi-Pack. Gently cleans while providing Pampers' trusted skin protection. The unique pH balancing formula helps protect your baby's sensitive skin from irritation. Number 4. WaterWipes Plastic-Free Textured Clean. Pure, simple formula. Our unscented textured clean baby wipes are clinically proven to clean and help protect baby's delicate skin with just 3 ingredients: 99.9% purified water plus a drop of fruit and berry extract. Textured for tougher messes. As babies grow, so do the messes. The soft, textured surface of WaterWipes provides added cleaning power to tackle messes on hands, faces and bottoms, making them perfect for growing babies. And Number 5. Pampers Baby Diapers and Wipes Starter Kit. Includes a total of 2 months' supply of diapers with 8 Pampers Sensitive Fragrance-Free Pop-Top Packs and 4 Pampers Sensitive Fragrance-Free Refill Packs, all bundled together for you. This starter kit with both diapers and wipes is a baby registry must-have for expecting mothers. Wrap Protect system designed to help keep baby's skin dry and healthy, absorbs wetness better and provides up to 100% leak-proof skin protection. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.